I'm going to show you how I make this little bows for this swimsuit. Why is it a thing? Why do I make a separate video? Because these are two long strips. So I didn't want to make the regular bow and hanging it there because it was going to be uncomfortable for my hair. And I didn't want to do it here in the back because I basically can't reach. So I came up with an idea to do it here at the front. So you're going to start with your two strips. The one that comes from the back and the one that's from the front. And you're going to start to do like the regular bow. The first turn, and then you turn it around. And up to here, everything's normal. So you have the two little holes, but you have a large one and a small one. So what we're going to do here is the little hole that comes from the short one, we're going to pass the long strip inside of it. And then we're going to pull with the short one. Of course, do it gently so it reaches, it keeps it form. But then, yeah, so you just accommodate it, and there you go. So that's the way it worked for me. And then once the day is over and you want to take it out, you just pull from the short one, and it's all done.